Good morning, my name's David. I work for Norfolk Yacht Agency and I'm here today to take you over this rather lovely little Shetland 4+2. She is a 2020 model. She has had only one owner. She's in very nice condition, powered by a 40 horsepower Mariner outboard, and rather unusually this one is fitted with a transom gate which makes access to the boat so much easier. Just called Little Pickle, you can see, and she is in lovely condition, so I'm going to take you on board and give you a quick walk around. Okay, so access through the rather rare transom gate into the cockpit. So the seating is all in good condition. It's not marked, it's not scuffed. The whole boat is very tidy. The canopy looks like it could be new. I don't think it is, but it certainly looks like it could be. Navigator seat. The gap there can be converted into a seat, so it's a completely wrapped round affair, but getting on and off the boat, it makes more sense to leave it out so that you can use that transom gate. Simple controls, and the screens fold, so access to some of the lower bridges on the Broads is not a problem. So I'll take you downstairs. Walking into the boat, again, one of the things that sort of stands out is just how clean and tidy the boat is. So either two single berth seating areas converts to a double, pictures online. Again, it's all close to immaculate really. Seating for 4 people. Table drops, that converts to a double, so that's another 2, again pictures online. 2-burner gas hob. Fridge below. That's the Propex heating control. And the upscale manual flush toilet to a holding tank, which again is very convenient and unusual. Also fitted with a shower, which not all of these boats are, but this one is. All the wood is lovely. So I'll give you one more spin round. I'll take you back out. So back in the cockpit, again just another quick spin round for you, just to try and reiterate the point that this is a really rather lovely little boat in lovely condition. I'll just take you back outside. Okay, so back outside now, just give you a quick walk down. The hull looks in lovely condition. So that's our 2020 Shetland 4+2. She's called Little Pickle, and just to go over the points again, fitted with a fairly rare transom gate which allows access, and it's made much easier. Fitted with heating, shower, holding tank. So a very well equipped, well loved little boat. If you'd like to come and take a closer look, she's moored here in Horning. We're open 7 days a week. Give us a ring and we will find a day and a time that's suitable for you to come and take a look at this lovely little boat. My name's David. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.